The yawn you experience can reveal interesting facts about brain size, as scientists believe that larger brains may lead to more frequent yawning. In this classroom, the teacher illustrates how yawning is linked to brain size, revealing that more complex brains may require a response through yawning. Throughout history, yawning has evolved as a mechanism for various species, and it's fascinating to see how it continues to be a shared experience among humans today. Children often yawn with excitement and energy, reminding us that yawning is not just about tiredness, but also about the brain's need to stay alert and engaged.